Have you ever wondered how walking affects your body? It's a simple, everyday activity, yet we're constantly told we should be doing it 10,000 steps a day. But is this golden rule of foot travel really backed by science? Or is it just another health myth we've all bought into? Does our body really need those 10,000 steps to function at its best? Or is it possible that less could be more? Let's delve into the science behind walking and its effects on our bodies. It may seem simple, but walking is a complex process involving multiple parts of the body. At its core, walking is a partnership between the cardiovascular and skeletal systems. Each step you take strengthens your heart and lungs, boosting your cardiovascular health. The skeletal system benefits too, as walking helps improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. But that's not all. Your muscular system is also hard at work. Walking helps tone your muscles, and not just in the legs. Your core and arm muscles get a workout too, supporting your body and maintaining balance as you move. As these muscles strengthen, your overall strength and stamina improve. Now, let's not forget the endocrine system, the body's chemical messenger system. As you walk, your metabolism gets a boost, helping you burn more calories even when you're resting. This makes walking a great ally in weight management and fat burning. But the benefits of walking aren't just physical, it's a mental game changer as well. Walking helps reduce stress levels and can significantly improve your mood. It boosts the production of endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators, and reduces levels of stress hormones. Plus, the rhythmic and repetitive nature of walking can have a meditative effect, helping to clear the mind and soothe the soul. So, we see that walking has far-reaching effects on our health, but do we really need to reach that 10,000 steps mark? The 10,000 steps rule is more of a marketing strategy than a scientific fact. Now, this might come as a surprise to many. The truth is, this popular fitness benchmark originated from a Japanese pedometer manufacturer in the 1960s, rather than any robust scientific study. Recent research has shown that significant health benefits can be achieved with fewer than 10,000 steps. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that individuals taking as few as 4,400 steps a day saw health improvements. The key here is consistency. It's about making physical activity a regular part of your routine, regardless of the exact step count. So if you're feeling daunted by that 10,000 step target, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Fitness is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It's about finding what works for you, what keeps you moving and motivated. Remember, it's not about reaching a magic number, but about staying active and moving regularly. So keep walking at your own pace for your health.